Good morning, class. My name is Mr. IG. I'm a visual art teacher. Today we'll be talking about perspective. Okay? Now, for instance, if you want to draw an object, we all know that everything in art is called an object. Anything you want to draw, be a man, be an object, be a house, or anything. So, when you want to draw an object is in three-dimensional form. For instance, you want to draw this cup is in three-dimensional form. And now you want to draw this cup on a surface. Don't forget that a surface is called two-dimensional surface. And you want to draw a three-dimensional object. Now, how do you draw this three-dimensional object on a two-dimensional surface? Because this is not three-dimensional surface. It's three-dimensional object and two-dimensional surface. So you have to use perspective to get that. So let's go. Perspective can be defined as a way of showing the true appearance of dimensional only have length and breadth, while three-dimensional have length, breadth, and volume. Okay, and volume. Anything you can see from the round. Okay, you can see from the round. Now we have two types of perspective. We have the linear perspective, and then we have the aerial perspective. Now, linear perspective deals with line. Okay? When you want to draw an object, all you need to do is to make use of line. Okay? So, linear perspective deals with line. And then aerial perspective deals with color. So when you want to draw, when you make use of linear perspective, you make use of line. And then when you start painting, you make use of aerial perspective. Now, quickly explain. Now, in perspective, when you're drawing an object that is closer to you, the lines have to be very, very thick. And when you're drawing objects in linear perspective that are farther from you, the line has to be very, very thin. So, the closer the object, the thicker the lines, the farther the object, the thinner the lines. Okay? Now, in aerial perspective, when you're painting, the closer the object, the vivid the color. Okay? And the farther the object, the color fades away. When you're looking at the distance, at the landscape, at the distance, you see that the object that is farther from you will fade with the cloud and it will become light. Okay, that's aerial perspective. Okay, so linear perspective, aerial perspective. Now, in linear perspective, we have two types of linear perspective. We have the parallel perspective and then we have the angular perspective. Okay, so parallel perspective, I'm going to draw an object in parallel perspective. Okay, so you see parallel, then you draw a house like this. Okay, just simple, and then you draw the window. And then in angular perspective, okay, this with angle, you have this. See that? And all you need to do is to put this down, this down like this, and then you take the house down to this side. Then you can clean this out, and then put this. Okay. So this is an object drawn in angular perspective, an object drawn in parallel perspective. So I would like you to do something for me. I want you to draw a church in an angular perspective for me. Okay. Size should be an A4 paper. Use of pencil. Don't forget we're talking about linear perspective. You have to do paint. So I just want you to use line. Draw a church for me in angular perspective. Thank you, class.